We are not podcasting hard, and that is why Zencastr is here for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a quick review on Zencastr. Now this is Zencastr, and it says podcasting is hard enough. Zencastr makes it simple because Zencastr gives you flawless audio, crystal clear video. So let's see, Zencastr gives you flawless audio, crystal clear video, effortless editing, spend less time juggling tools, and make great content at the same time. You can get started for free by clicking on this. So you get incredible recording quality, AI-powered tools, and much more. From podcasts to interviews to marketing content, Zencastr makes it easy to bring your vision to life and share it with your audience everywhere they are. So we have AI editing, hosting, recording, AI clipping, monetization. Who is Zencastr for? Now, Zencastr is for podcasters and anyone who wants to create high quality audio and video. They are flexible, easy to use tools, are perfect for beginners, and powerful enough for professionals. So if you're a podcaster, video creator, or interviewer, try Zencastr today. Now, a lot of people have used it since 2016, and it has helped millions of people create content that they connect with. We have people that talk about it like this. This was made on Zencastr. So there's so much more you can get. Let us see product tour of them, of what they have. So they have best in class audio and video recording. They have, let's see, under editing, effortless editing. They have under clips, AI powered distribution and growth tools. They'll save you time by automatically delivering your content to your audience on every platform they use in the perfect format. You can also earn. You can monetize. You invest a lot in your content, and they'll help you make a better return on their investment because they have AI-powered ad marketplace automatically that match your content with your favorite brands. Bring your own deals, manage the ad and file you've secured elsewhere. Earn money by promoting Zencastr through their ambassador program. And lastly, distribute. Right-sized for your shows and team. Whether you make one show or many on your own or with a team, they offer great distribution to your audience wherever they are. Let's look at pricing quickly. So when you're just getting started or highly focused on growth, they have a simple, powerful plan for every type of creator. They have the standard, the grow, the scale plan. They also have the business plan. So choose the one you want today. Get started with Zencastr.